Hi guys! Ito ko sa mga sister. Hi guys! I am the youngest granddaughter of Jose Marichan. And this is the bride, guys. I'm so excited. And uh, I'm one of the bridesmaids, guys. Oh my god. And this is the groom. Bago haircut. Oh my god. And this is the ano ka nang dili kanang kuan bitaw cut mag-vlog na ta bagi mo check channel dai.
Yeah, I'm trying to channel. Pero,
editor.
nagko na ka, anong nantawon mo?
Kuan mo ni ang sponsor. Ang
No,
pari
no.
ni-
Ako ang sponsor. I'm the sponsor.
Ay, kita ka na ang banner dire. This is the one, guys.
Dapat pag-iwan ba?
The oldest anyway, the oldest. No.
Eldest.
My eldest, sorry boy. This is the owner of the parlor.
Kinsa. Ayan,
This is my brand of the ano.
Kaya ba tayo fans, dili anay tamag ka ng mag-promote. Dili anay ta mag-promote kay murag sayang ka.
FYI,
Anyway guys,
this is what we use. And I bought that for about 150 pesos.
and guys, this is the kuan. Eldest of the group.
Isa tayo.